Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Interactive Broker's platform, Full Guide. Begin by creating and verifying your account, then download the desktop or mobile app. Set up two-step authentication for security and link your bank for deposits. Choose base currency and confirm funding limits. Familiarize yourself with the account dashboard and menu layout so you can confidently place orders and monitor positions. Learn the main order types and when to use them so your trades behave predictably. Use market orders for fast fills and limit orders to specify exact prices. Employ stop and stop limit orders to guard against large losses and consider trailing stops to lock in profits. Practice with the paper trading account before risking real capital to understand fills, partial executions, and how fees affect net results. Explore the platform tools to analyze markets more effectively and set up your workflow. Open Trader Workstation charts and add indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD to spot trends and momentum. Use drawing tools and multiple timeframes to plan entries and exits. Save workspace layouts so your preferred charts and watch lists load instantly on desktop or mobile, improving speed and consistency when market opportunities arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.